Let's cook something amazing. Today, you guys, I'll be showing you how to do a New Orleans inspired shrimp and grits. OMG, you guys, you will love this recipe. It will blow you away. So right now I'm just gonna start with a Cajun spice mix. I'm mixing it myself. I'm gonna just start off with 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of thyme, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and just mix it up yourself. Did I mention we're gonna make fried lobster balls? Go ahead and give your seafood a rinse. As I was rinsing the seafood, I already had a pot of water boiling on the side. I added 1.5 cups of grits to the pot. This here is a serving for 2, and if you are doing a personal bowl like myself, I think this will be great. Up next, just peel your shrimp. Okay, now always check in on your grits. Make sure that you give them a stir so they will not stick to the pot. Next up, it's time to season our shrimp. I'm gonna use the same Cajun seasoning we created at the beginning of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it into the shrimp. Then you want to get your skillet ready. Do a cap full of olive oil or vegetable oil. Then butter. Let it melt down. And you'll be ready to pan sear your shrimp. After pan searing your shrimp, go ahead and put another tablespoon of butter in your pan, melt it down, and add beef sausage. Now you are able to add boudin. I did not get any boudin. I don't even know where I can find it in Jacksonville, but that is the original New Orleans style. As your sausage or boudin pan searing, go ahead and add you a mix of pepper, onion, and garlic. As everything starts to caramelize, add you some whipping cream and just give it a nice stir. Get ready to pop open your lobsters so we can make our fried lobster balls. The grits are almost ready. I'm just gonna add some milk to the grits so it can be even creamier, and then add some salted white cheddar. Now that everything is ready, we're gonna go ahead and plate our dish. And there you have it, a delicious New Orleans inspired shrimp and grits. You guys, this meal is so good. And please give this video a nurse a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.
So good.